no mold needed, and it's way better than store-bought. In a pan, start by adding 385 grams of condensed milk. Next, add 400 grams of heavy cream, then 5 tablespoons of powdered milk. With the heat off, mix everything really well. Now turn on medium heat and stir with a spatula until it thickens. And that's the perfect consistency for our cream, folks. Once done, just let it cool down on the side. Now use a 50 milliliters cup and add melted chocolate to make a layer. Repeat this process for as many cups as you like, then chill. Then repeat the same process again. Refrigerate again so the second layer sets firmly. Now let's add some of our filling to the bottom. I'll add in the middle grape. I added 2 green grapes to each cup. Next, let's add a bit more of our filling. Now we'll top it with melted chocolate. All done, everyone. Chill it again until firm. Look how amazing our truffle turns out. Just pop it out of the cup and enjoy. Honestly, folks, it's impossible to resist. And the best part, it melts in your mouth. Make these at home. I'm sure everyone will love them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Sending you a big hug. Until next time. Thanks, everyone.